a.m. We are going to run. Let's go. Ito na.
Takto na siya.
Si Popops. Eme. Doggies. So this is the place, yung Barefoot Backpackers. It's a very cute place. Hello, cats. Bye, Marv. Pretty. Lalakad na kami. We're back.
Why?
Freshened up. We're here. Hi, Tish.
Hi, vlogs
Here. We have hummus.
So, what tingin mo ba yan? Ganito. How's your day going?
Tapos, we're going to Paliton Beach. Bayad mo na ng 20 pesos for the environmental fee. So we park there. I made 10 pesos pa lang parking fee. There's souvenir shops doon. Look at how cute. Aww, yung cute. Dito kami kay kuya. Bumibili. Ha?
Balera?
Free engraving eh. Oh, Gab and kuya. Sir F. Magnet. Bili kami ganito. Kito, ref magnet. Oh.
Ang flip.
Kanina may nagpapatugtog ng hawak mo. Mga ganyan. Kaming shell. Sculpt. So cute. Ito kay kila Denise, ito kay ate. It's our for yung mga hand-rolled cigarettes. Ha. Those are pretty. Kaso walang nagsusmoke sa amin, so what are we gonna do with them? So ayan, mahabang line ng mga... Ay, Gab, oh! Gab. This one's nice, oh.
You know what?
300 peso cup. Wow! Model with the Gondiwa shirt.
No food or drink allowed.
Oh, Paliton Beach. It's very nice. Oh. Sikihor. Yung mga stall na ganito. You don't want?
Beer.
Beer? Okay. We got coconuts. 80 pesos kasi malamig. So if you move past doon sa mga stalls and souvenirs, ayan, mas konti yung tao. Should we borrow this table? Charot. Yay. Daming puno. So, ito kami sa dilim. So cute. Beach dog 1. Beach dog 2. Beach dog 3. Beach dogs. We had to go Mikawa Spa. Appointment kami at 1. On the way! Sa Smurf. 20 minutes. 20 minutes ba, baby? 40 minutes from here. Bye-bye!
Shutdown na ako kanina, midway eh.
We're here. Finally. Attention. Attention. 650. Massage 650. Oh, cool. Dapat nagpasundo na lang tayo eh. Pwede naman pala yan eh. Weather station. Wala naman yung coconut. Wala na. Girl. It's 1:30. We're late ng 30 minutes. Pretty. Sana. Ay, may nagmamassage ata dun. Quiet lang dapat. Welcome to Secret City Horse. Cute. They have this. Love it. May pool. Cute. We have flowers.
Nakabado ako mamaya.
We have drinks. Pineapple juice. This is the place, parang section. So cute.
I think you guys need your shoes.
Oh! Ang tingin shoes. Pwede ba tayo umikot? Or pwede ba ipasok dito? Ha? Woo! Feeling Moana. Pwede ka na ba, Marv? Maging sinigang na Marv? Ano ba gusto mo, bulalo? Oh? Kansi. Okay, so here, bukas ulit.
Bored lang sila.
Hala, ano siya, malunggay. Malunggay, kalachuchi, and hindi pala ba nung plant yun? Uy,
Kinakabahan ka.
cute yung dalawa. Tabi kayong dalawa. Flower bros.
Ay, sila yung may plantation ng malunggay.
Hala, tinola.
Tinawala pala ako pa
Ako di ko tatanggalin yung flowers ko. Kasi they're so very cute.
Kala ko masisimula.
Ayun, gusto ko din.
Ay, sandok mo. Ayan, te. Dapat iba yung magsasandok sa akin.
Kilawin. Sarap.
Sarap.
Tea with honey. Sarap. Ano? Meron sa. Lugi, hindi kalbo. Papa-massage kami. 30 minutes na ata. We're done with our massage. It's a 40-minute massage. It's good. Ang galing nila. Maligkit-lagkit pa. Pero ano ba nga? So, we're on the way to yoga. Medyo malilate kami. So, I'll just tell them na, hello, malilate kami. They're so sorry. Anyway, I'll walk a few steps paakyat. Kasi, ito yung aakitin at natatakot ako. Parang nakangkas ay bumaliktad yung motor. So, I don't know if that happens, pero see? Kaya na nila yan. We are here. Tada.
Sabay-sabay ba yun?
May retreat nga sila eh.
Sabay-sabay ba yun?
Hindi. So, uy, hindi ko alam kung saan. Ay, Gabson.
Sa kanan.
Kanan. So, maglalakad ka muna ng konti through the forest to go there.
Sakay na lang kaya natin.
Ayun ba yun? Saan ba? Bahay ata ito eh. Ito?
So today we're going to be doing a hip opening flow. Have you done yoga before? Or is it okay? Alright, closing our eyes here. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Giving yourself the opportunity to be right here. And in your mind, bring yourself to a place where you feel safe and comfortable. Where this place is, try to stay here for the next hour or so. Look at those pants.
She's your shadow self. The thing you didn't want to look at even though it is a core part of high, they stay there both sides of the same coin. Know that the
This way I can just come here in the mountains. It's the side from
Human drone.
Kahit human selfie stick, di ka pa.
Nasaan na si ano? Si... Hindi ba si Yoda yan? Yoda!
Sana po, umabot ang gas.
Sa pagasan.
Sa pag-
Ano kaya sinakyan ni ano kanina? Ni Freddy. One more na lang kami. Ah. Nakahanap kami ng food trade. Yehey, gutom na kami. Ay! Nahulog ako! Wala. Ay, wala yun. Anyway, gutom na kasi ako. Oh, the green one.
Yeah, men's yung helmet.
Oh, dito ka pala.
Open to nung ano, dumaan tayo. Bakit may boardwalk na tayo ah?
That's smaller pa rin. May mga sabaw dito. So nice and clean. Got mango shake for 95 pesos na large. Yay! Ang sarap. Good. Hindi ko naman tawag. Anong tawag dito? Basta yun. Meron kami nito. 50. And then, inihaw na pusit is 100. Minsan chicharong bulaklak.
Tabang buka.
Kaso pa may slimy siya after. Magkano yung isda?
Sandaan.
Sandal. Ano isda yan?
Curious ako.
Yung 15 pesos na barbecue. Isaw? Isaw, chicken, and pork.
Tingnan mo, laki na nung ano. Minivan. Pick-up.
We're gonna go back. Gawin yung kinain. We are alive. It's 10 p.m. We're going to Cold. So exhausted.
Drag Race Philippines, please sing it with
Manayaw, mamutang kita og tawas. Happy Aninaw Festival! Woo! And now, we welcome Cebu's Pride. Wait. Tomorrow, we have a market and a workshop that you should attend at Soluna and Wakanda. How's you like DJ Love? Woo!
DJ Love! DJ Love! DJ Love! DJ Love! Okay, now let's welcome Cebu's Pride.
Babad na ako! May mini heart attack pa kami kung nasaan yung susi. Oh my gosh, nandito. Iniwan niya sa motor.
It is about the galaxies.
Ano oras na ba? Ano oras na?
1:30.
1:30 na.